Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm blind and I'm 14 years old. I use assistive technology, which in my definition is any piece of equipment that is used to improve or increase the capabilities of individuals with disabilities. I made this video because I want sighted people to know about the assistive technology that we blind people use and how much we can do with computers, iPhones, braillers, talking calculators, and other useful things. One of the devices that I use is the Perkins Brailler. A Perkins Brailler is a braille typewriter with 3 keys on each side of the middle space key, which corresponds to the 6 dots of the braille code. I use this for 2 different subjects in my education, math and Spanish. A Perkins Brailler can only do certain types of braille code. You use a Perkins Brailler by pressing the keys down with both of your hands and then letting up when you press down fully. This will then make a cell or a combination of braille dots to the keys that you pressed. Hi, now I'm going to show you how I use JAWS on my laptop PC. JAWS is a screen reader that can be used for the blind to narrate text or links or headings or anything, almost anything really, on the screen. It's very reliable, and right now I'm going to show you how you create a document in Microsoft Word and save it to your desktop. So I'm going to go to the desktop now and open Microsoft Word. And I'm at the desktop right now, so I'm going to press M twice to get to Microsoft Word here.
List view, 0 items. To move the items, use the arrow keys. To edit the selected item, press F2.
Well, it didn't say that I was on Microsoft Word, but I know I am.
Enter. Cancel button to activate. Press spacebar.
And we're waiting for it to open here. And while we're waiting for it to open, I'd like to tell you why I use JAWS, because it's very accessible and it gives me a lot of feedback to what I'm doing. But what it cannot read is, for example, graphics or anything related to sight. So I'm going to type a couple of words, and I also use headphones, but I have them unplugged, of course, so that you can hear what JAWS tells me. So here we go.
Blank.
Now I've got an empty text field here, so I'm going to type
H space M Y space N A M E space I S space B R A N D O N. Control S. Document 1 Microsoft Word. Save as dialog. File name : edit combo. Hi, my name is Brandon. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Alt N. You
might know this, but Microsoft Word picks up the first line that you type in a document. So I'm going to leave the document as it's titled, and as I already know the save default location will be the desktop, I can just press enter right here and it will go directly to the desktop. Another way you can go to save is by tabbing to it, but this can be a little interfering with the version of JAWS that I'm using, so I'm just going to press enter to get it onto the desktop. So there we go.
Print view, edit.
And boom, it's on the desktop. So what you can do here is
Windows M, text, H, folder view, list view. Hi, my name is Brandon.
And then you can find the document like that, and then open it through there. But you can also email documents to your teachers or whoever you want to email them to by selecting the document to your desktop and then attaching it to your email. Or you can print it if your computer is connected to a printer. JAWS is very reliable in many ways, and this is one of them. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Use a scientific calculator that talks to me for algebraic math. It helps speed up the slow calculations that I do in my head. So 9 and 3. I use the PackMate, which is an electronic brailer. Instead of typing on paper, the PackMate creates an electronic file, which can be read with a refreshable braille display, which is a strip that can be attached to the PackMate. The file can then be printed in a readable format off a standard printer or emailed through the PackMate. Hello everybody, I'd like to tell you how I use the iPhone 4S. I use the iPhone 4S for basic commands with a piece of software on it called Siri, and it can tell you commands directly, such as the time, the weather that's going to be for the current day, the date, the holiday, and it can make reminders. You can text with Siri, you can call with Siri, and you can listen to things on your phone by just saying play and then the item with Siri. Make a note to return my library book on Wednesday. What is the high today? Okay, I'm gonna need a... Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've gained some useful knowledge about assistive technology. If you have any questions, please let me know. Goodbye.